Hi, third graders. Today we're going to be learning the letter U, the uppercase U in cursive handwriting. This letter has 2 steps. Start at the top line, go all the way to the bottom, go back up to that top line, keep your pencil down, and this is your second step. So watch again. This is 1 and 2. So you are going to trace and try for every letter U that you trace. You're going to try one of your own. Then you're going to trace and try the words that begin with U. Urbana, Ulster, Union, Usha, Udine, Umberto. Last, there are 2 sentences to trace and try. Uncle Hal is in Utica and Uma is in Ukraine.